Hi. So for this portion, I am showing two of my UDLs that I really enjoyed. Um, so the first one I picked is a memed reflection, which I didn't think I'd actually like, because as creative I am, I'm not good at like making memes. So my first meme honestly was not the greatest. Like my first, not like this section of memes, but like my first assignment of my meme reflection did not like it, like did not think it was good. But then I kind of was just kind of had fun with it because why not? So the first one, obviously is this one. And then three previous modules that influence and design my lesson. And so I kind of added, did you see that module 6 actually helps with evaluation and how it should be written? It actually told me I need to make sure to observe the students as they apply the new skills I am trying to teach them. That meme was just kind of funny with it because I was like, did you know? This one was a lady, and it was talking about module 7 about how elaboration um, allows my students to apply new labels and definitions and things they've learned. So it's just kind of like her talking. This was my favorite, honestly. I need to make it a little bit. There you go. I put feeling like I won an Oscar when I realized that Module 10 would help me with engagement. I need to make sure I create interest and have subject interest and have them gain curiosity about my subject. So I just thought that one was kind of fun because it was a little Oscar, but I don't know. I'm just weird. Oh, this also was my favorite. What feedback did you find helpful, and what made it helpful? So this little praying hand guy, like, thankful for feedback from Module 11. It helped me succeed with my lesson plan by getting feedback from my peers when I taught my sample lesson. It helped me see what I needed to fix in my lesson. So it's just kind of a little thankful guy, like praying hands, like, oh, very thankful. So I like that. The next one that I liked, it was from week 4. It was a POW tune. So it was kind of all about the collaboration in the classroom. Let's see. I'm trying to get to. I had it up. I don't know what happened.
Have you ever heard of collaboration?
So here's just a little bit of it.
Collaboration in the classroom allows teachers to work together to reach the same goals.
I kind of like this because this was kind of like an introduction about our DODL and basically how to use collaboration in the classroom with teachers and whatnot. Not only just for our DODL, but for like the future. So it kind of just went in more in depth about collaboration in the classroom. Here are some ways to help with collaboration. So we have analyzing educational collaboration. So basically talk about how like not all teachers want to collaborate, and it's hard because some teachers just don't get along, unfortunately. But you have to work together in order to best succeed for your students. Am I? So yeah, so there's that. Scheduling time for collaboration I thought was important because, I mean, you can't just do it on a whim. Like, you actually have to schedule time because otherwise people are going to feel stressed out. So, yeah, I just really kind of like this because it allowed me to have this and kind of have myself talking about it. And, like, I was able to kind of, like, go more into narration and all of that. So I really enjoyed that. And that is, so between these two, I really liked it.